children. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are busy and happy and safe. Okay. So, what is success? Success comes through goal, having positive attitude, commitments, interest, inspiration. Who is he? He is a handicapped person even though he has got success in his life. He is the owner of a Microsoft. Yes. And she is Chandrika. She is a dancer. Even though she doesn't have legs. She got handicapped in a leg. Even though she is a best dancer in India. We have seen her in many serials, movies. So some people say when they want the success, they don't set the target. Some people, if they set a target also, they say I can't or I don't do anything. Some people are there. I don't have any aim. I don't want anything. But some people, they have aim. They say I cannot do it. They are not confident about themselves. And some people, I can do, but I want to do. I can do and I want to do. Only they keep in their mind. They don't plan to achieve the goals. And we have some people, they don't know how to achieve it. The way how to achieve. The steps. And some, they think I will try. I will try to do it. When they fix in their mind, I want to do, then they can think, how can I do? If they are sure, how can I do the steps, then I am going to try. Then after trying, they feel that, yes, I can do it. When they try and start doing it, they do it compulsory. They say, I did it. We have seen many people. Get to work, keep working, don't stop. Yes, these are the secret of success. So today we are going to learn a lesson for Nakul. So this is a lesson number 5, a lesson for Nakul. Written by Neela Subramanian. So who is she? Before going that, in this lesson we have a characters Akash, Nakul who always thinks negative, Akash who thinks positive even though he has a handicapped boy, and we have Rahul, a friend of both. These are the schoolmates, classmates in the school. And there was their sir, Mr. Varghese, the schoolmaster. The sir is Mr. Varghese. She is Neela Subramanian, born 31st January 1912. She got Sahitya Academy Award, Government of Tamil Nadu Award for the short story, and Kumaran Asan Award. And she died on 18th December 1988. She has written many short stories. Her name is Neela Subramanian. Okay. So in the lesson, in your book, you have a lesson for Nakul Subramanian, Neela Subramanian. So success. Complete the verb chart by matching the appropriate words which lead one to success. Which are the things which give you success by doing them? Determining factors of success. So here some words are there. On the left side we can see quarrelsome. Is it useful? No. Yes. Next we have goal. We should have a goal, so it is important. Then we have a positive attitude. Yes, we need this. Next we have laziness. So we don't need this. It will not give us success. Inspiration. We should have inspiration by our friends, parents, teachers, and our elders also. Yes. Then we have interest. Whatever we do, we should have interest in doing that. Without interest, you cannot. And struggle. We should struggle to do it. Ego, it doesn't work. It does not leads us to success. Yes. Commitment. We have to do sometimes commitments. Then we have overconfidence. No, overconfidence does not help us. Yes. Now let us go to the next point. Here we have idioms. What are idioms? Gade Matugalu. In Kannada we have Gade Matugalu. So some idioms we use to compare some things by using it. The first one is quite a tussle. Quite a tussle means very difficult. Children feel very difficult cooking or riding a bicycle or riding a bike before practice. Children feel very difficult to do mathematic problems. Some children, they feel difficult in mathematics. Some feel difficulty in, they face a difficulty in reading Kannada or writing. So that is quite a tussle. Next one, you are word perfect. That means acquire thorough knowledge. Get full knowledge. How do you get the knowledge? You get knowledge by reading books. Yes, and by visiting places. ದೇಶ ಸುತ್ತಿ ಕೋಶ ಓದಬೇಕು. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಥೊರೋ ನಾಲೆಜ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. You are a real gem. You are very helpful. So, Bhagat Singh was a real gem for our country for the independence. Mahatma Gandhi ji was a real gem. My brother is a real gem for me in my life. Yes. So that is, he is very helpful. Dark side of things. That means negative thinking. He always thinks dark side of the things. He always sees or watches dark sides of the things. That means he always think negatively. Okay. So these are the words. Each idiom you make 5 sentences in your English homework notebook. Let us go to the next one. That is our glossary. That is words and meanings which are new for this lesson. In this lesson you face this new words. Annoy, anger. Annoy means getting angry. Awful, extremely bad or unpleasant. Asahya athwa vichitra. Some children or some youngsters nowadays, they wear fancies which looks awful dressing. Bracing, supportive or stimulating. Parents are supportive. So parents are bracing to the children. Teachers, brothers are supportive to their sisters. So brothers are bracing to their sisters. Console, give comfort or sympathy. Have a console on your friends or on poor people or handicapped people. Dejectedly, looking depressed. He was dejectedly off. It means he was looking depressed. Depressed means thinking something and you go on not feeling happiness. You don't have interest. That is dejected, depressed mood. Fleeting, lasting for only a short time. Lasting for only a short time. Gloomy, sad and depressed. He is gloomy. My friend is gloomy. It means he is sad and depressed. Mumble, speech that is not heard clearly. Panic, we heard this many times. Mumble, don't mumble in the class. ಗೊಣಗೋದು ಒಂದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗೊಣಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್, ಭಯ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್. ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೈಗರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆಗೆ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್. ರಿಲೀಫ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಆಂಗ್ಸಿಟಿ. ರಿಲಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಅನ್ವಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಮನಸ್ಸಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ರಿಲಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್. He is reluctant. He is unwilling to do it. Retort, quick or angry reply. Retort, quick or angry reply. My father retorted at me when I asked mobile. Startle, shock or surprise. When I saw my friend in my classroom before me, I was startled. Tussle, struggle. I tussle for my fees, to pay my school fees, or I tussle for my new badminton. Okay. So next, before going to the lesson, read once. Before the lesson, read once. After the lesson, you should read once the lesson. By reading, you can improve your vocabulary and the pronunciation of the words and meanings. Let us see, the boys of class 6 came out of the exam hall. Okay. So, here there was a Nakul, Akash. So, Nakul was always thinking negative. Example, when he came out of the exam hall, they were writing exam. Akash came and then Nakul came. Nakul said, hey, I have not written my roll number on the paper. Then Akash told, okay, don't worry, let us go and ask to the sir. Then sir told, he checked the paper. He was very angry because at night they went and the sir was very much angry. Sir told, no, you have written your number. You made me to get up from the bed. Then they went back. And one more day, when there was annual function, he had a dialogues in the drama. Who? Nakul. Nakul got some lines to practice and say on the stage in the drama. He said, no, I can't do this. But Akash told, no, you can do it and I will help you. Then Akash supported Nakul in doing the things and practicing the dialogues. Then they did it. And then he told, yes, thank you for your help. You have helped me a lot. By these situations, Akash was supportive to Nakul, even though he was lean. He was handicapped with his leg. So, Nakul was always seeing the dark side of things. And Akash was good person. That means he was always thinking positive and he always faces problems. Let us see in the lesson. The boys of class 6 came out of the exam hall. How did the maths paper go? I asked Akash, who was waiting outside. Nakul asked Akash, how did the maths paper go? Then he told Nakul, no, so. I finished all the problems, though it was quite a tussle, replied Tarun, the monitor of the class. And Tarun said, it was so normal, not so good, not so bad. Nakul came in just then. He looked depressed. So, before that, Akash asked Tarun, how was your paper? Tarun said, so. Then Nakul came in just then. He looked depressed. What's up, Nakul? Maths is your favorite subject. Akash was surprised. Akash told, Maths is your favorite subject, but you are looking depressed. Why? Then he told, I decided to answer the tough problems first and leave the easy ones, but for the last 10 minutes, but they took more time than expected. So I could not finish 2 questions, Nakul replied. Nakul said, first I thought to do difficult sums and then I planned to write the easy sums later, but it took me a lot of time in solving the tough problems and I left the easy ones. Never mind, it's not the final exam. Write faster next time or set your watch 10 minutes ahead so that you can answer all the questions. Akash consoled him. Akash explained, suggested him, never mind. It was not a final exam. You can do better next time and faster and set your watch 10 minutes ahead. ಅಂದರೆ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮುಂದಿಡು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀನು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀಯ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀಯ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಂತ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ನಕುಲ್. ಹೋ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಸೇ that you don't have to worry, Nakul retorted. Nakul said, hey, it's easy to say that you don't have to worry, but you don't understand my situation. Akash was a new boy. He had joined the boarding school almost at the end of the first term. So, Akash was a new boy to the school. He had joined the boarding school almost at the end of the first term. So, the boarding school, that means a hostel type of school. When the room was silent that night, Akash woke up suddenly. He looked at the next bed and saw that Nakul was awake. So, they went to room and they slept at night. He woke up suddenly. Akash saw that why Nakul is sitting there, why he is not sleeping, and Nakul was awake. Then Akash asked Nakul, what's the matter? Akash whispered. I have made a terrible mistake, Nakul said. Nakul said, I have made a terrible mistake. Then Akash told, what is the mistake? I'm sure I have forgotten something. So now Nakul told, I have forgotten something. I think I have either written my name or my roll number on the maths answer script. Nakul mumbled dejectedly. Nakul told slowly to the Akash, I have not written my name and my roll number on the answer paper. Then, oh, is that all? I thought something awful had happened. So Akash told, oh, only this much? Why you worry? I thought something had happened. Akash was relieved. Look, it's just 9:30. Akash was worried. He told Nakul, see, now time is 9:30. Sir is sure to be up. Sir will not have slept till now. So let us go and see him. You can explain what's wrong. Then they went. You're coming too. So Nakul told to Akash, you're coming too? Thanks. Nakul looked relieved as the 2 boys crept out of the room. Slowly they went out of the room and walked to the master's study room. The name of the sir was Mr. Varghese. Mr. Varghese was startled to see them and listen to Nakul's stammered explanation. Mr. Varghese was very angry to see them and listened to Nakul's stammered explanation. Stammered means he was unable to speak properly. He was in a fear. He unlocked a drawer. He opened a drawer and went through the answer scripts. He saw all the papers. You have written your name and roll number. Nakul, Mr. Varghese said, you have written your name and your roll number. You panicked unnecessarily. You made me panicked unnecessarily. He watched them leave his room. He told, yes, get out of the room now. Soon the exams were behind them, and the next event the boys looked forward to was the school's annual day. As Nakul was tall and well built for his age, the master chose him to play an important role in drama. So they were having in the next few days the school's annual day. As Nakul was tall and well built, that means good body. He was having good body. The master chose him to play an important role in a drama. Help! I have got to learn so many lines, Nakul groaned. So Nakul told to Akash, please help me. I have many lines to practice. Then Akash told, I'll help you to practice till you are word perfect. Akash grinned. Until you get perfect, I will help you. Nakul was glad for his generous offer. So Akash was very generous and he told him, yes, I will help you. Then Nakul was very happy with Akash. Constant rehearsals soon learned his lines. So constant means continuous practicing, rehearsals. He learned the lines perfectly. Then I hope I won't forget the words. Nakul looked tense before the curtains went up. Before the scene, Nakul said, I hope I won't forget the lines. Then Akash supported him. Don't worry, the words will come to you easily. Akash encouraged. See, Akash was always encouraging Nakul, but Nakul was always at the side of the dark things. At the dark side of the things. To his surprise, for the surprise of Nakul, Nakul found that he actually enjoyed his role. He was not sure that I will do it. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನಕುಲ್ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ he did it. Thanks Akash, you are a real gem, he said warmly. ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಆಕಾಶ್ you are a real gem. I am glad I could help you, Akash replied. Akash told, I am very happy that I helped you. The next day, the students were taken to a picnic spot. The next day, the students were taken to the picnic spot. It's sure to rain, Nakul grumbled gloomily. It is sure to rain, Nakul mumbled gloomily. No, it won't. The sun will come out soon and the day will be fine. Okay. So in the picnic, Nakul told, see, the clouds are coming. It might rain. The sun will come out and the dark side and the day will be fine, Akash declared and looked at Nakul. Why do you always look at the dark side of the things? He said. Don't be a wet blanket all the time. So he told, don't be a wet blanket all the time. Here we have idioms. It is always, don't look at the dark side of the things, and don't be a wet blanket all the times. So find these meanings and make 5 sentences. In the next video we are going to continue the lesson and I need a homework. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Let us meet in the next video.